Hey friends, if you wish to format a hard drive or disk in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it is the same for both external and internal disks. Go to this PC in File Explorer and let's say that I need to format this disk. So right click on it and select format. Now here's the thing. Earlier we had many file systems like FAT32 and NTFS and all. And NTFS used to be default, the new system. But now FAT is being removed, so I will suggest using it and only stick to NTFS. I have NTFS as the only format here. And then you'll have this option for quick format. Click on start and then it will give you a warning. Click on OK. But yes, remember one thing, you will lose all of your data after the format. Now it says format complete. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.